stand from footlock. Now, your goal is to be able to do this from a flying footlock in the air. Your goal is to keep the knees even with each other and keep the fabric close to the chest as you drop the hands each time. So you're going to fly footlock it. You're going to come to hollow body. You're going to come to a sit position, lift up, bring the foot to foot, ankle to ankle. You want to do this as many times as you can, basically, and then switch other side. Now let me show you some other examples of different skill levels, okay? So this is going to be an example of when you drop the bottom too low past the knee. Okay, so you want to keep even with the knee, even with the hips. Yes, oh, you got it. But honestly, just getting there, just doing it is a challenge in itself, right? And all the other things are going to come. Good job, good job. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out here. So Havana here, she's brand new. Literally, this is her first night, so she's just learning this, even just like the footlock. She could have pulled more slack there, as you can tell. Good, yes. Excellent. And so we're not being too picky here. She's not lowering her hands, and that's okay. Oh, she just did, and that's great if she can do that. But if you can't, that's okay. All right, and see how far away she is from the fabric. You want to stay close to the fabric, chest close to the fabric. You can also have a spotter behind you in case if you're not as strong as she was just there. All right, just to show you again here what your goal is, flying footlock, lower down, knee to knee, drop the hands, lift up. All right, remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.